gained a lot of weight. I ballooned up to about 250 to 300 pounds, but I stayed around the 285 range for a long time. I mean, like oodles and oodles of years. And then I had went through a tumultuous time personally, and when I was 40, and I, over the course of time, ballooned up between 40 and roughly 49 before I had surgery. I ballooned up to 450. My entire life changed, thanks to Dr. Kelly, of course. Now, Kelly didn't make the weight loss happen, we know that, but he gave me the tool I needed.
When we met Stephanie originally, she had 4 to 5 months of what we call our pathway or our process to surgery, where she learns the ins and outs of bariatric surgery and how to use, if you will, the tool of the surgery to be successful following her day in the OR or once she has the operation done.
I weighed in at 425 for the surgery itself. And I knew the 5-year plan, it had to be the way to go, because I knew you'd take a lot of weight off first initially, but then it would begin to slow and then it would have to progress.
Stephanie started with us actually back in 2018 and had to undergo or underwent several other steps in order to be considered a candidate for bariatric surgery. And the fact that she would never quit, did not give up, continued being focused, had a goal in mind, and stayed with us, worked with us, I can't congratulate her more, because she had a fight. She had a battle on her hands, and she never gave up, and she stayed with us the whole time.
I'm over 3 years from surgery, and I still surprise myself. Now, I mean, I look in the mirror, and I was like, oh, wow, but I don't realize how much weight I've lost until certain things. I mean, you were so used to sitting at tables with pull-out chairs. I can go into a doctor's office and sit in the chairs now, where before I couldn't fit in them at all. Like if they didn't have the bigger chairs, which a lot of places don't, it was embarrassing because I would have to stand. I love to travel. I'm able to actually use the seatbelt without having an extender. And it's this mindset you have when you're heavy. I carry it with me every trip. It's almost like I'm afraid I'm going to get in a chair and I'm not going to be able to get my seatbelt done. And that's not the case anymore.
I congratulate her for that, especially as you look back on the years now and you get to see how successful she has become, knowing though that there's a lot of hard work that she put in to get to this point in time.